you join me now as something very exciting is happening. I can see it and I'm going to describe it to you now. It's in the wilderness. You can see them most places, and they can live up to a very long time. Some of them up to over 90 years. And I suppose the best way to describe this creature is almost like a white elephant. Of course. And I believe, yes, we're witnessing it's about to go extinct. Of course, what am I talking about? Woolies, of course. To make exceedingly good, or did until they became extinct, pick and mix.
Sorry, I couldn't resist that one, Woolies. It was meant to be David Attenborough. Sorry.